Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Shorthand. So today we will learn complete consonants. So consonants is nothing but letters. Consonants are the letters in English Shorthand. So how the consonants are formed? See here, what is this? You can say it is L. In mathematical form, how we see 90 degrees angle, right angle. So from this 90 degrees angle, some strokes, that is some consonants are formed. Let's see how they are forming. This is 120 degrees angle, 90 degrees angle, and this is 60 degrees angle. So by these angles only our consonants are formed. Let's see how they are forming. This 120 degrees angle which we have seen from here to here only, not up to here, from here to here only, it is forming P. This is P. This is T. This is Ray. And this is K. Okay. The light form of P is this is, if it is light, then it is called as P. If it is dark, it is called as B. If it is light, it is called as T. If it is dark, it is called as D. It is a ray. It will be light only, and if it is light, it is K. If it is dark, it is G. So from this, how many consonants have formed? 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, and 7. 7 consonants have formed from this. Those are the strokes of our shorthand, English shorthand. That's it. Very simple. And some more consonants are formed from circle. From circle, some more consonants. So totally 26 consonants we are having in English consonants. In English shorthand, we are having 26 consonants. So from here, we have seen 7 consonants. And remaining, we will see in circle. Except the consonant of W, Y, and H, remaining all consonants are formed from this and from this circle only. So 7 plus 4, heads up, heads down, right? H have two forms, heads up, heads down, what we learned earlier. So totally 4 plus 3, 11. So 11 consonants are completed. So remaining consonants we will see from here. So if a circle is cutted like this, if a circle is cut in this form, then what are the parts we are getting? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So observe how I am writing the direction. In the same way you have to write. Okay, I will mark the arrows so that you can understand well. Like this, arrows. Okay, in that arrows only, in that direction only you should have to write. So this is L, this is R, this is F or V, this is H or Z. If it is light, it is F. If it is dark, it is V. If it is light, it is H. If it is dark, it is Z. So 4, 5, 6. So from this we get 6 consonants. Right? So one more circle. If we cut into shape, if a circle is cutted into shape, then we get this form, and this form, and this form. Right? It is it. It is, if it is light, it is it. If it is dark, it is D. It is S. And if it is light, it is S. If it is dark, it is Z. And it is M, and it is N. If it is light, it is N. If it is dark, it is ing. Ing form. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. 6, 7. So totally 13. Here 13 consonants and here 11 consonants. Totally we are getting 26 consonants. Right? So those are our consonants, how it forms. Next, the division, how the consonants are divided. So all straight strokes. Straight strokes means P, B, T, D, J, J, K, G are called explodents. These are all called explodents. Next, FV, that is upright or sloping curves. So these are curves, right? Sloping curves. So that's why they are called as continuants. And next, M and ing, horizontal curves. These are horizontal curves, M and ing. That's why they are called as nasals. Why? Because it comes from the sounds come from nose, from our nose. Next, L and L, R and Ray are called liquids. That are in 2 forms. And next, W and Y are called collogens. And H up and H down are called aspirate. We have a separate chapter, aspirate. On going classes, we get this chapter. And it is very interesting too. So first 16 consonants, that is P, B, T, D, J, J, K, G, F, V, Eth, D, S, Z, Ish, Z are having paids, form paids, and each consonant must be written in 1/6 of an inch only. When writing curves, care should be taken from curved thick letters. If made throughout, they look clumsy. For example, the curve form F should be written like this, right? So F is lighter, and if we want to write V, we have to write thicker. So while writing thicker, the ends should be lighter only, but in the middle we have to darken that like this. So while practice, you will get. Right? They should be thick in the middle only. Thick strokes are never written upward because the page will not support and the time will be over fast. Next, M and ing, K, G. Che is written downward at an angle of 30 degrees. Che is written at an angle of 30 degrees. So there should be different from Che and Ray. Ray is upward to the perpendicular, but che is downward to 30 degrees from perpendicular. So while practicing, you have to read and write che 30 degrees from perpendicular. Okay, che j. That is about consonants. Next in the next class we will see the next chapter, vowels.